Take a ride in the 2018 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, panoramic moonroof, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.